Best Car PPF in Bangalore. Welcome to Falcon Car Detailing, your ultimate destination for top-notch automotive care in Bangalore. We are excited to share insights into our specialty, the best car paint protection film, PPF, in Bangalore. If you are a car enthusiast who values the aesthetic appeal and longevity of your vehicle's paint, you are in for a treat. Why choose Falcon Car Detailing for PPF in Bangalore? Cutting-edge technology. At Falcon Car Detailing, we take pride in using the latest and most advanced PPF technology available in the market. Our state-of-the-art films offer superior protection against rock chips, road debris, bug splatter, and harsh weather conditions. Experienced and skilled technicians. Our team of experienced and skilled technicians are trained to perfection in the art of applying PPF. With meticulous attention to detail, they ensure a flawless installation that seamlessly blends with your car's contours, providing an invisible shield against potential damage. Premium quality films. Quality is our priority, and we source only the finest PPF films from reputable manufacturers. These films are not only durable but also resistant to yellowing, ensuring that your car maintains its pristine appearance for years to come. Customized solutions. Every car is unique, and so are its protection needs. Falcon Car Detailing offers customized PPF solutions tailored to your specific vehicle model and your preferences. Whether you want full body coverage or select areas, we have you covered. Transparent pricing. No hidden costs or surprises. Our transparent pricing ensures that you know exactly what you're paying for. We believe in fair and competitive pricing, making high-quality PPF accessible to all car owners in Bangalore. Falcon Car Detailing is your trusted partner for the best car PPF in Bangalore. Our commitment to excellence, cutting-edge technology, and customer satisfaction set us apart in the automotive care industry. Give your beloved vehicle the protection it deserves. Choose Falcon Car Detailing for a flawless PPF application that stands the test of time. Contact us today to schedule your appointment and experience the unparalleled quality of Falcon Car Detailing.